I want to say it's probably going to be about a cup.
A whole cup of mayo?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no!
It seems like you're having a hard time cooking.
Think about Carol Baskin. She's scary to me.
Okay, here's what I would suggest you do. Don't do anything. Don't do that. Listen.
Hi.
Okay, now I'm gonna try to put my phone up on. I have a book propped up here. Wait a minute. We're gonna see if this works.
Okay. Here. You see?
All right. I think we're recording now. How's it going?
It's going good. Still sunny in Florida, though, but we are quarantined inside.
Full screen. Boop, boop. Bada bing, bada boom. Hello, mother.
Hello.
中頃作るんでしょ
どっちにするのか知らない。
Recording.
Hi.
This is my mother. That's Carol.
Yeah, Carol.
And she's going to teach me how to cook gourmet sabzi for the very first time.
Yeah, the vegan version.
So Spencer, today we're gonna make Linzer hearts. I started making during Valentine's Day Linzer hearts. So every year I would make these Linzer hearts, and they're a little labor intensive.
Call from.
I'm cooking nilaga, and the ingredients are pork, bok choy, plantain or saba, potatoes, onion, ground. I forgot. Peppercorn.
We're going to have a wonderful dish of panko chicken with roasted vegetables around it.
We're going to make broccoli casserole.
I love this broccoli casserole. You make it every holiday for, gosh, I don't know, as long as I can remember.
How did you, little Miss Girl from Iowa,
Yeah, really.
master gourmet sabzi?
Ha! Yeah, master. Pretty good for an American. Not too bad for an American. As you know, I met your dad, who's Iranian, 42 years ago.
42 years ago.
Yeah, I can't even believe that myself. This year is our 40th anniversary, and if it wasn't for this coronavirus, we would be celebrating it with all of the family and friends. But we're going to have to put it off. But I met him 42 years ago, and that was my very first introduction to Persian culture and the food, the cuisine. And as you know, Iranians like to party. So we were invited to a lot of parties, and that's where I was first introduced to the food.
1 cup of confectionery sugar,
Okay, I've got the confectionery sugar.
2 cups of flour,
Got the flour.
1 egg. 1 egg is enough.
Okay, I've got my egg.
Yeah, you don't know your French very well. 1 cup of cornstarch.
I know that an
1
egg
egg isn't enough.
hilarious.
Robin, I think you have little small carrots, right?
We call them cheater carrots.
If you have big carrots, first we're going to skin them, you know.
What if I don't skin them? Why does that matter? Like, I have to feel carrots don't matter.
Then don't worry about it. They'll still be good.
Where did you learn this recipe?
I made it up.
Can I just put the potatoes with the skins?
It's more healthy. Cut out the bottom of the bok choy. Yeah.
So I put this in the pot.
Which one?
This.
Bok choy? I can see you. Wait. What's that?
This is the bok choy.
Yeah, that's the last one. If it's already cooked, the potatoes and the plantain, then that's the last one you have to put on the pot.
This is from that recipe book, right? The church one that they did?
Yeah, the church one that was done a long, long time ago. Probably about 25 years ago. Is that your mayo?
It's Miracle Whip.
Or Miracle Whip, that's okay.
玉ねぎ入れた方が野菜が食べれるからね。ああ。 カビのところは取った方がいいよ。
じゃあ使えんのこれまだ。
使えるよ。あ、でもぐちょぐちょになってたら使えないよ。
Do I keep them on the stems or do I take
Yeah. According to Massa, if they're healthy looking stems, yep, you just grind them all up together. There's a lot of good vitamins in the stem. Put the ends in one hand and the tops in the other and twist off the very end of the parsley.
Oh,
So you don't want to have that much of the stems.
right.
So take the whole bunch and just like you're taking a towel and wringing it out, like wring its neck and you'll twist off the ends.
Well, right now we're gonna throw the veggies in the food processor right now. How do they look?
Great.
I just got water all over my computer, so.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh, I can see myself. No, I can see myself in the picture.
Yeah, they have a mirror that lines their entire kitchen. Naturally, I look at myself all the time.
Oh, you don't have a peeler, do you?
No, I have a peeler. I just never peel carrots because I'm lazy.
I'm going to peel the squash right now.
You're gonna peel the skin? Oh my gosh. How are you doing that?
Like this.
You are a muscle lady.
I know.
Hallie. I'm chopping the onion.
Be careful. But be careful. Oh my God. Yeah. You do this. Ito. Tinalanggan lang pananggalan mo pa. You should just see on the YouTube how you cut it.
The package of mild cheese.
In a package of sharp cheddar.
Yeah, okay, use the mild.
I feel like I have a lot more cheese than broccoli. That's okay.
そうじゃないよ、向きが。でもそれを切ってみないと、今みたいに切ってみないと、どこまで腐ってるかが見えないじゃん。気をつけてねって。そうすると中がどこまで腐ってるかが、だからあんまり良くないね。
How do you get the timing right for making tahdig and stuff like that? You know,
Oh, yeah.
that takes just like practice and time.
Right, yeah. That, you just know that it'll take about 30 minutes and then you can just easily test to see if it's done, the sizzle test, wet your finger and touch the bottom of the pan, and if it sizzles, it's done.
I just feel like that's not a very common method.
Oh, yeah, and here's another technical way to measure the amount of water for your rice. Yes, you put your finger and the water you put the water in the rice and it should come up to the first knuckle.
How did you learn how to cook, Mom?
How did I learn? I grew up in an Italian family that cooked everything. They made their own sausages. They made their own sauce, and there was always a meal being prepared at my house. I married very young, right out of college. My mother-in-law, I started seeing her do a lot more baking. One of the things that your grandmother did a great job with was using her food as a way of thanking people or acknowledging people or just welcoming people with her food.
I just remember people saying how much they loved being in your classroom because you always brought in either treats or I don't know, you're always providing that kind of thing for people too.
I have a helpful trick for cutting onions.
Oh, tell us.
Take a piece of bread, any kind of bread, put it in your mouth. And then let it stick out of your mouth. I'll show you.
Wait, you mean it'll stop you from crying?
Yes.
Hey, here we are.
That's not voodoo.
Let's cut some onions. You know what you're doing, Holly?
I don't know if you guys can hear all the sirens going on. We have sirens all the time. The wonderful thing is at 7 o'clock every night, everybody goes to the windows. They open their windows and everybody sings or they play an instrument or I use the tambourine. I'm playing the tambourine out the window. And it's to thank all the workers who are out there while we're sheltered inside. I put a thank you note in our mailbox for our mailman.
What is he cooking?
My mom's asking what you're cooking.
Tinola po.
Anong leaf anong dahon ang nilagay mo?
Opo, more spinach, yeah.
Spinach and with ginger.
Like that. Yeah. Ano po yung luluto ni Jana?
Nilaga.
Nilaga. Meron siyang soup bowl. Pero dyan.
Soup bone?
Yeah.
Did I this recipe? Oh my god.
Have you been watching any good Netflix shows with all this time? Or any good TV?
Not really. I still like my Hallmark channels.
Yeah.
Okay, take a package of the Ritz crackers. This is the best part. This is what makes it really, really taste good. Now just pour the butter all over it. We do not count calories in this.
これはいいんでしょじゃ
うん、大丈夫と思う。
あ。これの半分。
うん。で、炒めて、で、豚ひきも半分。うん、適当でいいんだよ。そうじゃなくて、私もやっぱりやればよかったけど。
I burnt the onions.
Oh, that's okay. It's okay. Burnt onions have a nice taste, a nice flavor.
It smells so good. Dad is gonna be so excited.
Okay. Cornstarch time. Oh no!
What'd you do?
Oh, we've got a cornstarch breakdown.
Over the sink.
Mess. This is a mess.
You're gonna need a tablespoon of mayonnaise and a tablespoon of mustard for each thigh.
Sammy forgot to get mustard at the store. So I have mayonnaise, and what else could be good? I have sriracha, that could be good.
You'd have to put a little extra mayonnaise for the bulk, and then you could add something like sriracha or some other flavor that you like.
I guess I can help you there, Jana. Seems like
Same.
seems like you're having a hard time cooking.
That's what we're doing this for. To see if you can teach me over Google Hangouts.
Show me yours. Show me. Yeah, that's fine. You didn't mess up.
How did you learn how to cook?
Because I like to eat.
Come here, baby. Can you see her?
Yep.
Can you see? Can you see Michael? Say hi. You know, I should have given him some broccoli.
Oh, yeah, he loves vegetables. So weird.
Come. You can see the cooking. Just cooking. Can you see? No, cooking.
Okay.
And meatball.
just like you know, home cooking.
We added maybe a little bit too much beans, but
Oh, yeah.
it's okay.
Oh, yeah. You guys are vegetarians. You need the protein.
You ready for the reveal?
Reveal, yes. Ta-da! Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Looks really good. Looks like the picture in my book.
Well, I broke down.
You watched Tiger King?
Tiger King. That was
Mom watched it all the way through.
7 hours.
All
of my
7
life.
hours.
You watched it in one sitting?
I did.
Oh, I'm so proud of you.
It's a train wreck, and you gotta watch the whole thing.
What do you think about Carol Baskin?
She's scary to me.
Carol Baskin.
It's dry a little.
So you have to cook more till it's soft.
It's edible.
Make it more softer, Jana. You don't work today?
I am working. This is me working right now.
Oh, is this a work? Your work is so
Yeah.
interesting.
So I rolled one out. There was a little bit of trial and error with some flour.
Yeah.
Naturally. Well, I lost one.
Yeah.
You were a good man. Oh, I lost two.
Oh my God. Then wait for them to cool on the next time.
Fine. I'm an impulsive woman.
Well, takes patience.
Are those new glasses?
Yeah.
It looks cute.
Thank you. I'm channeling my inner Ina Garden.
What are you gonna fix with it?
I have no idea.
それをこういうふうに切るんだよ、こう。うん。ちょっと切ったのを見せてくれる？で、それを縦にチュッチュッチュッチョンってやれば、手を切るな。怖いやいや、指がなくなりそうだよ。
This is so much fun.
Yeah, I have to agree. I actually feel like I'm with you.
Yeah, I can't wait to try this again, actually.
Yay! Congratulations.
So excited to
Yeah.
We did it.
Huh? You did it.
Well, we will cheers to you while we enjoy this dinner.
Yeah, okay. Cheers.
Thank you so much.
Cheers. Thank you.
Yeah.
You broke it by pushing it down. Don't even, no one will notice because they're going to bite into it. It'll break anyway. Gorgeous. Look at that presentation. The only other thing I would have done is I would have put a doily underneath, but I doubt you have a doily. I am so proud of you, Spency. And it's very, it helps a great deal to sort of connect and to watch you do this. And, you know, I've never smiled more in the last couple days.
That was so fun.
Whatever the next recipe is or something that you want to do, we'll do it together.
Fun.
I love you terribly.
I love you too.
Before you go, let's say grace. Dear Lord, thank you so much for this time to be together as a family, even though we're so far apart. We thank you for your blessings. We thank you for our food, and we look forward to it nourishing our bodies. And we just look forward to the day when we can all be together again. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
I love you.
We love you guys so much.
Bye. Seeing you, okay. Take care. Okay, stay at home.
I've had fun cooking with you.
I love you.
Love you too.
Love
Bye.
you. Bye.
We'll do this next Sunday. You decide what the meal is going to be. Bye, darling.
Bye.
Bye.